Well, chronic wasting disease is a fatal protein disease. It affects the nervous systems of deer, elk, and moose. It was first confirmed in Montana in 2017.
Well, this week, state leaders learned the only way to handle it is to take it head on. MTN's John Riley has more.
On Monday, the Montana Environmental Quality Council heard testimony from chronic wasting disease experts from Wyoming and Colorado who shared their advice on managing the prion disease. Dr. Mike Miller with Colorado Division of Wildlife has been studying CWD for the past 35 years and encourages Montana to continue to have an active approach towards its management.
There was about a 10-plus year period when we really de-emphasized our attention on chronic wasting disease. We looked away, and that was probably one of the more serious mistakes that we made, because it turns out the disease doesn't go away. It doesn't stop doing what it's doing, and you ignoring it doesn't make it any better.
Wyoming Game and Fish Department disease specialist Hank Edwards warns that CWD can have big impacts on game population and health when it isn't managed correctly.
CWD negative herds may bounce back very quickly, where CWD positive herds may linger on for much longer at low population.
Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks also gave the council an update on the state's current response to CWD, saying the state found the disease in places they didn't expect, which means they need to assume the disease is more widely distributed and work on getting that message out to more hunters.
We find that we're still having a hard time getting through to hunters. There's a lot of hunters that you talk to at check stations and things, and they said, what's CWD? Never heard about it.
Reporting in Helena, John Riley, MTN News.
Thanks, John. Now, Fish, Wildlife and Parks also says it is working to update the CWD management plan to incorporate what's been learned over the past few years.